So this is an R600 seal system repair. First you want to cut the dryer off right here and about right here. So I now have my dryer off. You want to straighten this up as much as you can before you connect any lock ring to it. You also want to cut here so you can add a plug check, a service port, so you can, drain the system. I'm gonna do that right now. So all you gotta do is sand down where you're gonna do your connection. So the step valve. Sorry, I'm doing it with one hand. Sand that down. Notice the difference. You want to make it smooth. That way it's easy to apply the lock prep. Go to the hot pipe. Do the same thing. Lock prep is like a glue. Apparently it's supposed to withstand the pressures of the refrigerants and all that stuff. The plug check side is down as well. Alright, so it's all being sanded down. Alrighty, so I'm doing this one-handed. I am going to apply lock prep right here in the sanded portion, and the sanded portion here, and I'm going to couple them together. So the way you want to fit them is they got to make it to right here. This is where it connects, right where it joins. So when you put it in, you more or less want to be in that area. Alright, so this is how we add the lock prep. Add a few drops. Sorry, it's hard to look at the screen at the same time. And you just kind of twist it around a little bit if you can. And you got the surface port, valve, whatever you want to call it. And you do the same thing. Not too much, it's not necessary. There you go. Just pull the trigger. It automatically stops and opens up whenever it's pressed it together.